it's Liz from Old Stables Crafts. How are you this Saturday morning? I was going to say sunny Saturday morning. I'm hoping it's going to be sunny. The forecast for the UK is sunny, so fingers crossed. Anyhow, last Saturday I showed you very, very quickly the swaps that I received while I was on the Norway incentive trip. Please remember that fewer than 1% of demonstrators managed to achieve that trip, and it is very, very hard work to do it. Trust me, I'm hoping that I might earn Mexico, but it's looking a bit dodgy at the moment, so who knows, but I'm going to keep at it. But do bear that in mind, it's not typical of a demonstrator's experience. But boy, it's worth going for it. Anyway, after that, let me flip the camera down because I did say I would show you these swaps properly. So here we go. This is my bag of swaps. It's literally, out of the suitcase. So let me open it up. Hopefully they didn't get too squashed. I did have to rather sit on my suitcase coming back. It's that whole thing that clean clothes are so much smaller than used clothes. I think we, just take a bit more care about packing when we go rather than when we're coming back. Right, let's see if I can do this. So this card is interactive. Now, all I can tell you is it's from a German demonstrator. It uses the Zoo Crew stamp set and dies, but there's no indication as to who made it. So I can't tell you more than it's from a German demonstrator. So that's that one. I'm going to open these as I go. So this is from Sarah Schuler, who is in Wisconsin, I think, WI. It's definitely a North American demonstrator because of the size of the card. And isn't that just a beautiful, beautiful card? I'm going to cough. So it uses some DSP, this lovely stamp set, which I think I've got, and some of this new trim, and then one of the new embossing folders. So that's that one. This one is from Anna Hellman, who is, I don't know where she is. She's Stamping and Stuff.com, and apparently I can't open up because she's tucked it in. It's a tuck, not a stick. So, oh, and there are sequins. Didn't see those. May the Lord bless you and keep you. And on vanilla. We so rarely use vanilla, and it's again one of the new embossing folders. Right, so this is the radiating something. It's one of the online exclusive dies, and again, no name. Other than it's from someone in North America, I really couldn't tell you who it's from, but very pretty. Another North American from Lola Wrist, who is in Minnesota? I don't know, I'm guessing, frankly. And her website is Lola Wrist, which is easy. So, again, there is an embossing folder here. It's that new, is it the new one? No, I think it's the worn type one. And then just a plain inside, but really lovely. I love these because they give me so much inspiration. So this is from a French demonstrator, Christine Cabello, La Tortue Scrap, and it's a fancy fold that is sort of squarish. Let's see if I can work out what size. So 10.5 by 11 centimeters. And bon vacances, so happy holiday. Very appropriate for the Norwegian trip. This is from Tina Kivrik. I'm sorry, Tina, I haven't got a hope. So she's in Ontario, in Canada. She is Northern Stamper. And I'm going to keep out the cards because that means I can save them for future. And this is that one of these online exclusive embossing folders, really pretty. And it's a birthday card. So again, lovely. I love the colours. This I happen to know because I was thrilled to get this. This is from Dina Rico, the Creativity Cave. So yeah, real fun inside, and using Zoo Crew again. And there's some Wink of Stella on the balloons. Currently, I want to say either out of stock or low stock in Europe. So if you want some Wink of Stella, get it now. But I love the monochrome with the pop of colour. So this is from Helen Caskey, who is in New Plymouth. Oop, that's the right way up. And this is her card, and this is that new brick embossing folder, and the dies from the Country Inn suite. No liner, but that's fine. Ooh, now hang on. That is in using A4 card. Ooh, interesting. Because for North America, including Canada, I would expect it to not be. This is from Wendy Knowles, who is in Utah, West Jordan in Utah. Discover the Talent Within is her byline. And again, another Country Inn with the Irresistibly Hello. Can't remember if it's called that, but it's the one that's on the online exclusive. Couldn't be happier to have you as my friend. Really lovely with heat embossing. This, oh, we've actually got a recipe, and it's from, here we go, Betty Wisebrick from MN, Minnesota. So MO can't be Minnesota. Missouri? I don't know. Aren't I dreadful? Anyway, so she's done us a whole recipe, and it's a fancy fold. It's a card that goes over a card, using the Country Inn again, and that lovely stamp set, which is, ooh, stamps in the moment, that's right, with Night and Navy and boho blue card. Right, this is from Kim Pellis from PA. Is that Philadelphia? Aren't I dreadful? I should know these. And this is a fancy fold. Whoops. So, but I know it's a fancy fold because I have had it out of the envelope. And it uses the daisy papers, fresh as a daisy. The whole suite, actually. So that's, oh, and it's got a, to help it stand at the back. And you could obviously, yes, you've got your place to write in there as well. So that's a bridge card. This is from Dawn Stock, who is in Ohio. There were, the vast majority of the people on the trip were from North America, which makes sense because there are more of them. So this is another fancy fold using the, I need to get to know these stamp sets. Anyway, it's using one of the Spanish stamps, Muchas Gracias, which I believe are only available in North America. In fact, I think maybe only available in the USA. It's a limited release just to see if they are popular, but really pretty. I keep looking at that stamp set and not getting it, and I clearly need to get it. So another North American, oh, Simply Elizabeth Crafts. So Amy Elizabeth, I'm guessing is Amy E. Rogers, so I'm guessing Amy Elizabeth Rogers, on a little post-it, so I can take that out if I want to use the card. Again, the Fresh as a Daisy suite. And this is from Amy Rich, who obviously again is from North America because of the size of the card. And this is another fancy fold, again using that lovely paper. Very pretty, and the punch, I keep looking at that as well and thinking I really must get it. I really must get it. This is from Lena Grisser. I'm going to be slaughtering these. I'm guessing ON is Ontario, so from Canada. And it's her free class pass. This is beautiful. This uses the papers from the Eclectic paper pad with that lovely journaling paper. I love a journaling paper. Really, really lovely. Another of the Daisy, Fresh as a Daisy cards. Very popular set in my swaps at least. And this is from Dawn Borgetta. Sorry, I'm guessing Minnesota again. I love Lemon Lolly. Another Daisy, and this is from someone who doesn't want me to get in. Vanessa Webb, who is from Australia, and again she has put the recipe on the back. So it's the Cheerful Daisies, not Fresh as a Daisy. And this undoes to open up a, whoops, it needs to open all the way up. I think does the recipe come off? No. Eek! Anyway, it opens up and there's more stamping on the inside. But I can't open it, Vanessa, because you've stuck it in place. Hey ho. But yes, and she's got a YouTube for this particular card. So it's u2.b and it's 7 oblique 7 capital U dash capital J capital O lowercase h capital L lowercase I 9 lowercase k lowercase o. I think that may be a 0. Anyway, that's that one with white ink, which isn't used that often. This is from, I hope there's a card inside because I don't know who it's from. Lorraine Sitch, C-I-C-H, stampwithlorraine.com. And it's with the little monkey and the bright and beautiful paper with some stamping. And yeah, I like this fold back, really pretty. Getting near the end. So this is from Karen Barber, who is in Ohio. Really lovely. So it's very simple but really pretty. So she's embossed the card that she's used for the back, for the whole card. Little sequins, again some Wink of Stella. Really, really nice. Like that a lot. This is from Melissa Ellis. Who is in VA, Virginia. And actually it's a card front. So not a full card, but a card front. Sadly, I don't have the size card, so I can't stick it on anything. But anyway, this is from Shani Haynes, who is from South Australia. I spent quite a bit of time with Shani. Really nice lady. Hanging out in the hospitality suite. And this is from the Seasonal Branches and Lazy Days. With the decal edge dies, but she's used it as a frame and then embossed the piece that came out. Very pretty. And another one that doesn't have a name on the outside. Is it a tuck or is it a stick? It's a stick. Hoping, fingers crossed. No, another nameless. Again, Wink of Stella. Is that Light My Way, the one with the die that's a lantern? This is from Lisa Griffin. Oh, Lisa, I'm sorry, I'm not going to pronounce your very last name at all well. Lisa Griffin Zawalenek. I'm sorry. Anyway, and she is from WI. Again, Wisconsin. Very pretty. So we've got the die cutting on both sides, and I'm guessing she's coloured the rhinestones. So it's monochrome, but I want to say that's Melon Mambo. This is from Kim Vogel and is the last card, and again uses the daisies with, oh no, it is a card with Moody Mauve. Now I know it's not pronounced like that in North America. It's Moody Mauve as far as I'm concerned. So there we go, lots of lovely inspiration. So I hope you enjoyed that. I will do a photograph of kind of all of them for my website, but the main place to see these obviously is here. I hope you've enjoyed that. A thumbs up is always appreciated. If you've seen your card and I haven't said who made it, please tell me who made it and which is your card, because there are quite a few that I do not know who they're from, and I would love to know who they're from. Anyhow, thank you very much. Let me see if I can flip the camera back up. Yes, thank you so much for watching me. I will be back with a normal Simple Stamping Saturday next week, but I hope you enjoyed that look at the swaps, and have a great rest of your weekend, and I will see you again very soon. Bye for now.